Hey everybody, guess what? The end of this course is near. Congratulations to you for making it this far. You hung in there through 7 modules of philosophy, and here we are with the 8th and final module. So proud of you guys for being able to stick with it. It is a long semester online when you really think about it, with a 2 week stretch for a typical module. It can become a very long and daunting process. But you know this because you're in an online class or you're taking online classes and you know how that can go. So I'm really proud of you. Thanks for your excellent participation in modules 6 and 7. Sorry I wasn't able to make a video for the last module. I was out of town and really had very limited computer access for an entire week. But you did great. I really enjoyed reading your third papers concerning Aristotle's doctrine of the mean. Had a lot of differences in your own philosophies and opinions. Many of you were really appreciative and really respected the mean and the exercise of finding the mean between the extremes concerning virtues and behaviors. And others of you are like, yeah, this, really wasn't all that helpful. So I appreciate that honesty, because you really were honest. You had some great insight, no matter where you fell into which camp you fell. It's great to be able to wrap this class up with you for the 8th and final module, and that's what we're going to take a look at. As you can imagine, these final 2 weeks are going to be crazy. You're going to have a little bit more extra work here on the backside, so pay attention. And your due date for Module 8 is Friday, May 11th at noon. And so this one is titled Political and Feminist Philosophies, and we're going to get into that here. Like I said, additional assignments, additional things are due this time around. In addition to the normal discussion boards, there are actually three discussion boards for this final go round. So make sure you're just pay attention, be attentive to that, as well as a quiz, a final exam. And the discussion board, let me just double check because I didn't look ahead of time, so I apologize, but I do not believe there is a final exam in this class. Or I'm sorry, a final paper. Yeah, that's what it is. It's not a final paper. So there are 3 discussions, and right here you can see it, a 3-2-1 course reflection in lieu of the final paper. Okay, so just because it's a shorter reflection for you, don't discount it. This is a really valuable exercise. And I would love to hear from you when you submit your 3-2-1 reflection. And it's a pretty simple concept. Share 3 key takeaways from the course. What did you learn? What was most meaningful to you in the course? What aha moment did you have, or what aha moments did you have? What stood out to you the most over the last 15 weeks or so? So 3 things, 3 takeaways. Two things that you would have done differently in the course. What was confusing or problematic for you, right? So as you continue in your educational journey, you're going to have to learn strategies. Is your strategy working for you? Is there anything that was confusing for you? Or and think about what would you do differently so that you could be more successful in your educational studies. And then the last thing is what's the one thing that was most memorable, useful, or helpful to you in this course. And so that's pretty simple. And get all this done by Friday, May 11th. I will see you in the discussions. Congratulations, you're almost done. Let's finish strong together. I can't wait to wrap this up with you guys. It's been a pleasure, and if I can help in any way, continue to be in contact with me via email or text or phone. You have all that information in the course syllabus. We'll talk to you later. Have a great week, everybody.